Farmland supply food for us, and the population is growing and growing. If we have enough crops, then in the future most of us can become vegetarians, which will save lots of animals being killed for food, and probably stop extinctions for some animals. There are lots of donations for animals and trees, but they're barely for any farms. If you put a farm on top of a building, it's hard to harvest and the temperature is different on the building, as it will affect the quality of food. And each week, farmers will then have to go up and down the buildings. Farmers live close to farms, and if you want to build a farm on a building where the skyscrapers in the city, they will then have to drive from the countryside to the cities. In the cities, there are lots of skyscrapers, and often the pollution is bad. If the pollution is bad, it will affect the growth of plants. To stop flood inhabited, we can build more drains or other things. Since it's now year 2017 where technology has evolved, and surely we can build something to stop flooding.
Expanding farmland and clearing. You said that expanding farmland and clearing land is bad for the environment, and vertical farming saves space. The technology to do this, though, is expensive and may not scale properly. Urban properties are expensive. Wages would be high. There is no proof of concept. Because the environment of vertical farm is so self-contained, an actual profitable plan would be nice, but there isn't one yet. Some technology isn't ready: lighting, recycling, and power generation. It requires a lot of electricity. There is only so much sunlight you can reliably capture with a vertical farm, so you'll have to rely on a lot of artificial light. This is expensive. Depending on where you live, it's also environmentally harmful, as electricity may be generated using fossil fuels, coal, and biomass, which is cutting down trees and burning natural resources. The infrastructure is everywhere. Growing the food is only one part of the equation. The other part is processing the food. Only a small portion of what we eat isn't processed. So not only would you have to move the farm into the city, but you'd have to move the processing plants into the city as well in order to keep the shipping down for truly local food. This presents its own set of problems, such as removing existing processing buildings to go vertical, recycling waste products and wastewater from the processing plants, and dealing with unavoidable pollution issues. This mainly comes down to one simple word: people. We are trying to invest on the future of people. This is about creating times in unemployment. The average farmland is 676 acres, which is 2,735,772 meters squared. An acre can feed a person for a year, according to the average American person. This is about benefiting people below the poverty line, people educating their children, medical coverage, feeding their family, and basic human needs. People, jobs, insurance, school books, food, shelter, people. Why does this need to be put on hold because of the inconvenience of wildlife?